If you always have a hand sanitizer in your bag to use whenever you take a bus, go to the ATM, touch money, or anything else, you should know that it is possible to have a completely natural antiseptic gel. Bacteria are everywhere, and to get rid of them, it is necessary to correctly wash your hands or disinfect them with a good hand sanitizer. So in today's video, you will learn how to make your own homemade sanitizer using only simple ingredients. Made with natural ingredients, this gel must be applied without rinsing. You can use it in between your fingers and on all of your hand. This simple gesture can avoid many infections and is a good habit for everybody, and not only for children. Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help our channel. Ingredients: 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 30 drops of tea tree essential oil, 0.5%, 1 tablespoon of witch hazel extract or high concentration vodka, 6.76 ounces of pure aloe vera gel, 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Directions: in a small glass container, mix the essential oils and the vitamin E. Add witch hazel or vodka to the oil and mix again. Add the aloe vera gel and mix it. Gently shake it before each use. And it's ready. Now you just have to put it in a specific container and leave it in your bag. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.